In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a crop farm in Lego Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. So you're going to need a few things to start. To start, you're going to need to find a group of animals, and they are going to drop some fertilizer, which you are going to need to actually build the crop farm. So overall, you're just going to need to go into the multiple groups of animals, see if they drop anything. As you can see, I am not having the best luck so far, but it does sometimes take a little bit of time just to get the items. I'm just going to wait around these animals, see if anything comes up, as these are pretty reliable on collecting the fertilizer, and it is the only way. Also, I'm going to see if I can go back to the sheep, see if they did anything for me. Nope, nothing yet, but the sheep are pretty fast when they are running away from you. So overall, you're just going to need to hang around the animals for just a little bit, and you will end up finding the fertilizer. Let's see if I can pet him. I know I'm going to get some milk, but let's see if they'll give me any fertilizer as well. There, as you can see, I just got some fertilizer. And then you're also going to need to have some soil. So let's say I am going over here. I would like some garden plot, so you're going to need the fertilizer for that as well as some soil. If you do want to have the soil, you are going to need to just get a shovel and go anywhere you would like just to dig the dirt. And then once you're done with that, if you go to your inventory, and I don't have any seeds, so I'm just going to give myself some seeds. So this is what the soil looks like. So if I wanted to open the plot of soil and plant the seed, that's all I really have to do is use these seeds and plant them. And then once you have actually planted them, this is the easiest way once they're grown, obviously, is to harvest them. But if you do already have a village, what you can do is actually give the job to a villager, and they are going to be able to do it passively. And if you say, let's say, get me wheat, they will come to you occasionally and give you the wheat. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.